Paul, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired about the white Veloster manual transmission. Let's get right to it. This will give you a very brief overview. As you can see, it's got the very sporty alloy wheels. Now in the back, the seat's let down to a 60-40 split, as you can see. Up front on the steering wheel, you've got volume control, cruise control, your Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. You've got the trip button that toggles through the back display. Your cruise control settings. This has CD player, AM, FM, XM satellite radios free for the first 3 months. Auxiliary, iPod, USB. The manual transmission. It also comes with a sunroof. Auxiliary, iPod, USB gives you every avenue to listen to your music. In addition, this has also got a very cool hidden third door. Again, this is a brief overview. We'll go through all that whenever we meet. But I want to tell you the America's Best warranty. 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. Now, Paul, if that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. That is the America's Best warranty. My name is Shannon Coward. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. You may reach me on my cell, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I thank you.